Hi, this is Indumati and I own this Akshar Wellness Center. Now I will give you a brief introduction of the therapies which we are offering one by one. Moxibustion is a heat treatment where we use a herb called Motuza mugwort. Depending on the requirement of the patient, if they need heat treatment somewhere, we use this moxibustion. Cupping also, when a patient comes, if they have any stagnation of energy in certain area, then we do cupping and all, and even for setting the navel and all, we use cupping. There are many uses of cupping, but these are one among them. When we talk about head massage, our brain is located in our skull. Brain gets relaxed. So in present day lifestyle, we mostly use our brain for most of the works. So head massage is required for any person these days. I am trained in cosmetic acupuncture from China, Beijing. My specialty is cosmetic acupuncture. So many people have a question that cosmetic acupuncture means we use some cosmetics or something. No, it's about beauty treatments. That is why we call it cosmetic acupuncture. When you go for a Botox or collagen or some injections, they have their own side effects, and now people are aware of that. Even in US, all the celebrities are going for cosmetic acupuncture instead of going for a collagen or Botox injection. So this is new in India, and very few people are aware that we can treat all these symptoms with acupuncture. Bring awareness about this cosmetic acupuncture. We put the needles, very fine needles on the face also, but they hardly pain, and is only in certain areas they pain, but mostly they doesn't hurt, and they are very fine needles, and all are sterilized and disposable needles we use. So it's very good. Cosmetic acupuncture, any women with any beauty related problem can try cosmetic acupuncture. When we do reflexology, we stimulate around 7,000 nerves of our body, and it helps in the opening and clearing of neural pathways. Thai yoga therapy is also a very ancient therapy from Thailand, which is a combination of hatha yoga and meridian points. And there are lot of stretches and pressure point massage in this therapy. So when we stretch the body, all the joints and muscles get mobilized, and when we press the meridian points and all meridian pathways, the energy rebalances again in the body. Back massage is helpful because the longest meridian of the body is urinary bladder meridian, and that is located in our back, beside our spine. So when we do massage on the back, it almost stimulates all the organs of the body, and it releases all the stress and tension from our body. Our facials are totally different from the facials you get outside, because in our facial we use gua sha board, sometimes we use cupping on the face, and sometimes we use bamboo sticks, jade, stone, and many other variety of things for facial, which are really very good for a facial. Acupuncture is a Chinese medicine system, and in acupuncture we just check the pulse and see what is the imbalance in the body, and then we go to the root cause and put needles in related points depending on the client's problem, and thus they get lot of benefit in their symptoms and diseases. We offer all drugless therapies here, which are very ancient therapies and traditional therapies of China, Japan, Thailand, India, like acupressure, acupuncture, foot reflexology, Thai yoga therapy, marma therapy. These are all drugless therapies where we treat all the problems, all the symptoms of physical body with the help of therapies which are based on energy system. About this center, this is a very unique center, and under one roof we are giving a wide range of therapies like cupping, moxibustion, gua sha, acupuncture, acupressure, foot reflexology, hand reflexology, head reflexology, Thai yoga therapy, shiatsu, tuina. So under one roof providing so many therapies is very rare. But I really experienced these therapies. I am personally trained in these therapies, and I am a qualified acupuncturist. So whatever therapies we are offering, that I train all the therapists under my supervision, and then only, even if a client comes, if they need a customized package for their health, suggestions are always there, and we guide them like what treatment is suitable for their problem, and then only we offer them the therapies. So this is more towards health, and even our center is very spacious and very peaceful. When you step into this center, that pleasantness in this center, the aroma, the lighting, and whatever interiors we have is very peaceful, and whoever comes here, they fall in love with this center, because the setup is of that kind, is quite spacious, open, and we maintain hygiene, and all our therapy rooms are only divided with the curtains, and also at any age, any teenage girl or ladies, they can they have a security here, so any age group people can come and get the treatment.